evening students. In previous video already I taught you value added method. It means that this is a part of the measurement of national income. There are three methods of the calculation of national income. First is the value added method, second is income method, and third is the expenditure method. In previous video we already discussed about the value added method. Just short recap of the value added method. So value added method, it means we added something from the factor of production. We use the factor of production. It means land, labor, capital. We use this factor of production and we get something, and we add every time. Suppose एक फेज पे हमने कुछ ऐड किया, अगेन वी एडेड समथिंग इन intermediate goods. तो intermediate goods क्या होता है? We add something for that intermediate goods for the preparation of the final goods. So that is called the value added method. So value added method, so every enterprise add to the value of the product which it purchased as the intermediate goods. The value that is added is known as the gross value added at market price. It is called the GVAMP. It means gross value added at market price. In this method, it is also known as the product method also. One name is the value added method, and second another name of this method is product method. Inventory method also, net output method, different name this method having, but most popular for our textbook is value added method. So what is the formula of value added method? So value added method equal to value of output minus intermediate consumption. Again, value of output. This is the basic formula. This is the important formula. Value of output, it means whatever we produce with the addition of the value added method. It means value of output minus intermediate consumption. So we get the value added. It means gross value added at market price. Because हम लोग फाइनल गुड रेडी कर रहे हैं, सो फाइनल गुड्स वी मेजर एट अ मार्केट प्राइस, नेवर एट अ फैक्टर कॉस्ट. वी प्रोड्यूस समथिंग, बट we produce something from the intermediate goods. So intermediate goods become the final goods, and final goods always calculating as a market price. So जब भी वैल्यू एडेड मेथड से निकालेंगे, इट बिकम द GVAMP, ग्रॉस वैल्यू एडेड at market price, or another way, gross domestic product at market price. And this is the very familiar to all of you, because in the previous section we already discussed about this. So GVAMP equal to GDPMP. Now in this sum, intermediate consumption. So what do you mean by the intermediate consumption? So domestic consumption plus import. Intermediate consumption, we are talking about the national income. So national, keep in your mind, national, it means in our country also and from outside also. So domestic consumption plus import equal to intermediate consumption. Now one another point is there, value of output. What do you mean by the value of output? So domestic sales, internal sales, domestic sales plus change in stock plus export. Change in stock, it means you all know opening minus closing, fine. So domestic sales plus change in stock, and export also we have calculated, because we are talking about the not only the domestic, we are talking about the national product. Now in this method we have to find out the national income. So what is national income? Already we seen NNPFC, national income equal to NNPFC. So NNPFC, and what we get? GDPMP. So GDPMP to NNPFC. Already ये फंडा बहुत क्लियर है. We are here and NNPFC is our destination. So when NNPFC we have to find out. So GDPMP minus depreciation minus net factor income from abroad minus need. So we get the national income. So these are the steps of the calculating the national income with the help of the value added method. Now थोड़ा सा और डिटेल में और थोड़ा सा और इसको अच्छे से जानने के लिए I am taking the one beautiful example for value added method. ठीक है, value added simply, ठीक है, 5 rupees I have, I add the another 5 rupees, that is the value added. So value added for the money. So we are taking here one beautiful example, but in this example we are added the value not for the as a money point of view, we are added the value in the production only. Fine. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 blocks are there. First A, B, C, D and E equal to C minus D. Now in the first column, phases of production. We know in the any manufacturing or any production house where there are different phases of the production. Fine. So first is the phases of production. Second, आउटपुट ऑफ दिस प्रोडक्शन, मतलब इस फेज में से कौन सा आउटपुट निकलेगा. क्लियर. नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ओनली दिस फेज ओनली. नाउ वैल्यू ऑफ आउटपुट, आफ्टर दैट वी गेट सम आउटपुट इज देयर. सो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस आउटपुट और फिनिश गुड्स. नाउ इंटरमीडिएट कंजम्पशन, इट मीन्स द परचेज प्राइस. If we are producing something, we need the any intermediate goods. So intermediate goods or the raw material, whatever we purchase price of the raw material. Now in E column, value added, it means we added something. It means value of output minus purchase price. It means selling price minus purchase price. हमने raw material 10 रुपए में लिया. Now our selling price is 20 rupees. So what is our value added? हमने उसमें कितना value add किया? 10 rupees. Fine. Now second phase, now like this, second phase, third phase and this type of table you see like here. Now first phase, we just take the example only. Phase 1 having the, that is a farmer. ठीक है. phase 1 पे एक farmer है. Now farmers output is, farmer है तो farming ही करेगा. So output is wheat. Wheat is the output of the farmer. Third phase, value of output. If we assume that only कि farmer ने जितना भी wheat बनाया है, that wheat selling price is ₹500. And what is the raw material or intermediate goods? तो we assume that कि farmers को इतना ज़्यादा intermediate की ज़रूरत नहीं है. So the value is 0. ठीक है. So 500 minus 0. So farmers added the, in this phase, added the value 500 for this product. Now second phase, this is the wheat. Clear. In first phase we get the wheat only. So what is the wheat's raw material? So intermediate consumption, it means the raw material or a purchase price. So now second phase, miller. ठीक है. miller get the miller output flour. miller क्या देगा हमको? flour देगा. Now raw material, miller take the wheat from the farmer from rupees 500. For rupees 500 में उसको raw material मिला है. Now miller उसका क्या बना रहा है? flour बनाएगा. Then miller flour's price is 700. It means 700 minus 500. Miller in this phase, miller added the value 200. It means miller को raw material 500 में मिला है and after that he sell the flour with 700 price. So 700 minus 500, it means the value added. In this phase, value added is 200. Farmer value added 500 and 500 में उसने किसको बेचा? wheat. miller को. miller make this flour and flour getting the selling price is 700. So 700 minus 500 equal to 200. So in this phase, value added is 200. Now third phase, baker. Now baker selling price 700. baker को ये कितने में मिला बेटा? 700 में. Here 500 and here 700. Now what is the selling price? इसकी selling price थी for this purchase price and next phase इसका जो selling price होगा इसके लिए वो purchase price होगा. So now baker take the flour from the miller with the 700 rupees. Now baker maybe bake the cakes also, bread also, pizza bread also, and that becomes a 1000 selling price. Baker get the raw material or intermediate consumption from miller as a flour 700 rupees. Now baker make the cake and cake's selling price is rupees 1000. So 1000 minus 700, it means the 300. So now in this phase, value added is rupees 300. So what is the total value added price? So gross value added at market price, because we are consider about the selling price only. So gross value added at market price, GVAMP, and again I am repeating, GVAMP equal to GDP MP. So that GVAMP equal to 1000. Now this is the gross domestic product at market price. When we are talking about the value added method, from this method we get the GDP MP. But we are talking about the national income. So when we need the what is national income? So national income equal to NNPFC. So already that concept is clear. I am damn sure all students having the clear concept about this. So your GDP MP, ठीक है, GDP MP, you are here and that is your destination. So NNPFC, this is the national income. Now you get the GDP MP from this method. So GDP MP, now gross to net minus depreciation, now domestic to national minus NFIFA, now MP to FC minus need. So you get the national income with the help of the value added method. Now explanation of this method is over. In next video we will do the sum of this method.